includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Lake, McHenry, Stevenson, and Winnebago, and the following: Lake Michigan from Two Rivers to Sheboygan, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, and Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's weather radio, KXI 41 Crystal, western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Stoughton, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Stoughton, Fort Atkinson, Oregon, Jefferson, Milton, Edgerton, Evansville, Deerfield, Palmyra, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Fulton, LaGrange, Albion, Hebron, and Utica. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather. In Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 9:30 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., strong thunderstorm outflow winds were located along the line extending from near Wind Point to near Kenosha to 13 nautical miles north of McHenry, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Winthrop Harbor around 8:20 p.m. Waukegan Harbor around 8:30 p.m.
Yeah, it's moving north.
This is NOAA's weather radio. In Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, south central Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Whitewater, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Whitewater, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Milton, Williams Bay, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Springfield, LaGrange, Tiffany, Miller, Avalon, and Delavan Lake. People attending Jimmy Buffett Alpine Valley should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.